In my redesign of SAS Forecasting Server, my main goal was to bring together the iterative functionality of Explorer, Designer, and Viewer into a single breathable workspace where each aspect can exist and change together. The first page Stan encounters when he opens the forecasting server prompts him to log in, entering his personal username and password. Once he is logged in, he is brought to the home screen, which houses the options to open an existing project, create a new forecast, or create a new report, as well as a recent activity feed that shows updates on projects Stan is a contributor to, such as comments, assignments, and completions. Stan notices he has been assigned to forecast sales of men's dress shoes for Belk department stores in 2015. He chooses the Create Forecast option, enters the project name, adds his supervisor Sheila as a contributor so she receives updates, and selects the raw data files to be included in the forecast. Once the data files are opened, Stan is brought to the main workspace. The area is divided into 3 modules: segments and rules, the process flow diagram or template, and the visualization window. The title bar of the modules can be double-clicked and moved to the larger part of the workspace. Within the visualization module, Stan is able to roll over different chart types to quickly display the data of a selected segment. If selected, the chart will remain in the canvas area. As the segments and roles are changed and updated, the charts and template will live update. When a visualization is to his liking, Stan can take a snap, which will save the current chart and template as is to the snapboard. Once Stan's explorations are done, he can go to a snapboard and look back on his work. From here, he can go back using the path navigation or choose to begin creating his final report. A modular template appears and the snapboard moves to a scrollable panel on the left. Snaps can be double-clicked and added to the template. Each module has a menu with options to resize, annotate, add object, link to written prose, or delete. After all of Stan's edits, his report will look something like this. He decides to export the report. Once he exports, he still has the option to make edits. Sheila will see in her activity feed that Stan has completed the project, and from her view, the Edit Report option will disappear. Within the final report, written prose will be in a scrollable panel to the left. When an object is rolled over, its reference in the annotations will be highlighted. Sheila has the option to add a comment to a specific object and it will be starred. Stan will then see that Sheila has viewed his report in his feed and make his edits. Stan's workflow is both quickly iterative and collaborative, without ever having to leave the forecasting server.